Hello everyone. I am excited about announcing my next book signing and lecture in Orange County, California. It's going to be at Boat Studio Spiritual Center, that's spelled B-O-T Studio, in the city of Anaheim. And this event is taking place on the 13th of May from 2 in the afternoon to 6 in the afternoon. However, seating is limited, so make sure you guys get your tickets now. I will go ahead and put the link in the description of this video as well as in my story so that you guys could go ahead and get your tickets for the 13th of May in the city of Anaheim at the Boat Studio Spiritual Center. Now the address for the Boat Studio is 607 South Harvard Boulevard in Anaheim. So I hope to see some of you guys there. If you guys missed my other book signing and lecture in LA a couple months back, for those that live in the LA County, this is your opportunity to come and meet me in person and get your book signed in Anaheim. So go ahead and get your tickets now because seating is limited for this event. I hope to see some of you guys then, and I will talk to you guys at a later time.